Hey y'all, I'm Morgan Simone. I'm sharing over 50 Barbie-ween costume ideas from the unique and nostalgic to creative DIYs to bring your own props to life or customize your own costume. I'm sharing everything I found from the accessories to the wigs. Let's get into it. First up, happening hair Barbie. This is a core memory for me. I don't know, the 90s girls, if y'all remember this. Now, none of us are trying to put on a long sleeve floral shirt. I just want to bring the essence of the Barbie to life. How ridiculous is this brush from Shein? It literally looks like a doll brush. You could do stencils, you could do these fun little clip-ins, bundles on bundles. Go crazy with this one. For the girls who love a good wig, love a good hair moment, Salon Surprise Barbie is also a fun one. Again, we're taking some liberties with the tops, but we want to be cute. You do like some really colorful hair. You can even get this super cute hair dryer like this one, or it could be another DIY. Hit it with some spray paint, a little bit of stencil work, and you are right there on the money. Still in the hair theme, Bead Blast Barbie. Do y'all remember this? When I found this dress, it is giving the same energy of this Barbie, but bringing it into today's time. And I actually found the original Bead Blast kit. Etsy has everything, y'all. If you're looking for some props that are right on the money, that's the place to be. You can actually do that on your hair. There's also some other hair inspo I have up here. Now for the girls who are a little bit extra, Superstar Barbie is the look for you. I mean, hello? Are y'all seeing this? A long white coat. Hello, if you need to stay warm on Halloween. And the headpiece, moving on. Now for the girlies in the warmer climates, Butterfly Art Barbie might be a fit you're into. Cute crochet top, little jean skirt, and some temporary tattoos. Ah, we love it. Earring Magic Barbie. We saw Margot Robbie rock this on the red carpet and have a whole red carpet section later, but this one falls into nostalgia. Layer up a mesh top with a strapless and these body chains. You can even get a little creative with this one and you can add a little star keychain, go to the jewelry section in Michael's and get a little bit custom. For my simple girlies, if you want to go with just a hot pink simple dress and a beautiful heart necklace, you can be Sweetheart Barbie. Now, I almost lost it on this one. When I found this blue fit, Pop Sensation Barbie, don't let me get a headset. I will be out here performing for my life in this living room. Next, kind of giving the same energy, Jam and Glam Barbie. It's giving Xenon. You can do this cute little halter moment, metallic pants, and go crazy with the hair colors. Honestly, the Barbie movie did not give us enough of these crazy hair color outside of Mermaid Barbie. The next look we have is Mermaid Barbie. The original, the iconic, nostalgic version had the jewel tones, had the long hair, had the crown moment. The options are endless out there. Now this one I was hyped about because this Barbie, we're talking about a core memory with the section on the feet and the little dumbbells, y'all. When I found not only this like mesh fit in the layering moment, when I found these dumbbells that you fill with sand apparently, I gotta move on because there's so many to get through, but I hope somebody wears this one. Now this one, I think this was like an original Barbie from like the 50s, and then they just changed the outfit. They said this came from Clueless Barbie. I couldn't find the imagery to back that up, but I just say we go with it and somebody rocks this fit like out in New York, in Chicago, wherever you are where it's cold. Speaking of nostalgic memories, Generation Girl. The skirt, I don't know how to explain it, but it fits. If you get me, you get me. Michelle, now I tried to put a fit together for the overall looks because that's the Barbie I remember having, but it just wasn't giving, y'all. If someone can make this work, if you have like the right pieces for this, I say go for it. But the pink, yes ma'am. Get you a little skateboard. I wanna say I found this on Five and Below. Or maybe you're a skater girl and then you're just in your element. That's it for the nostalgic section. Hey girl. Welcome to Kim's Mojo Dojo Casa House. Now we all know and love those iconic looks from the Barbie movie. You've all seen them. Amazon is bringing them to the masses. There are a few details I want to point out that can help you stand out and make your costume a little bit more authentic. If you're gonna do this rollerblading fit, get the mugshot sticker, put it on some poster board, hold that up and take some fire photos on Barbieween. If you're looking for accessories and you want them to be authentic just like the film, head on over to Etsy. So even more accessories, the little heart mirror, you can recreate this shot. Now on to a few unsung heroes. This fits, baby, I'm trying to wear this out in the streets. There are several options for the little suit two-piece sets. One thing I want to point out is adding this little pearl detail to your hat. That's a quick little DIY. Hot glue that thing inside of your hat and you are going to be set apart from all the Barbies this Barbieween. Now this one I was very excited about, and honestly we should just be wearing this to brunch on the weekend. I found the replica of that iconic Chanel necklace she had on, again on Etsy. Now the dress, I have a range of options. There's one that's like an exact replica. I'm not convinced that it's actually going to be accurate once you get that. I have a few alternatives. This one just gives the essence of that look, and this one is pretty close. The seamstress girlies can cut this up and make this look even more like the movie. And you and your kin can dress up together, and this wig is right on point. Now another fit that I have not seen too many people looking at is this little cute sailor fit, and I love the idea of doing these tennis shoe heels because this is the whole moment when she became flat foot Barbie and she was like, why are y'all having me in these heels? And they actually have a pretty decent replica on Etsy, as well as these earrings that are spot on. Another blue fit, which is so cute, and I was very hyped that I found the exact earrings as well as the dress. Let's get into some of the supporting roles. President Barbie. Now I didn't love the dress costume option that they had, but if you want to go with your pink jumpsuit and a little sash, Etsy has an exact replica. Lawyer Barbie, you have plenty of options for this one too. Love a purple two-piece set. And for physicist Barbie, this one also gave the essence of her dress. The girls who are good at sewing, you can add a little bit of pink trim to make it even more accurate. Weird Barbie, they have this exact costume. Find you some snakeskin boots or socks, a little bit of face paint. If you want to be even more creative, you can recreate this fit. We also have Toy Story Barbie as an honorable mention. Now into our duos and groups. This scene with Barbie and Ken is so cute. I found the jumpsuit for your Ken, this cute little Barbie beret and dress, as well as the accessories, little heart bag and a bow for your braid. Now, if you and your girls want to bring Barbie Land to life, Unique Vintage has so many of the cutest fits that are right in line with this look. Pastels, the rompers, the little plaid moments, the patterns that just feel nostalgic, and then add in those accessories. You could do a little visor, a little headband, and even a little sailor cap. You could also do a group of disco Barbies. We have a range of these sparkly jumpsuits that will have y'all shining. And if you're really that extra, you could do a little flash mob moment and recreate that dance number. Etsy also has the headpiece that Barbie wore, and you can even find a jumpsuit for your kids. I've been so excited about Barbie, but low-key I also want to be a Bratz this Halloween. So if you want to do a little duo or group number, half of y'all can be Bratz dolls and the other half can be Barbie. Technically, the Bratz were in the movie if you caught that. Now for the girls who want to dress up with their pets, if I had a pet, I'd be doing this. Barbie Extra has the cutest fits. You can get these printed dresses, a little bit of fur, and look how cute these dog outfits are. I hope somebody does this. Taking it back to the nostalgic, you could also dress up in these little blue fits with the matching dog outfits, and even a cat. Throwing it back to Casey Musgraves doing her Moschino Barbie recreation during the Met Gala. When I saw this purse, I knew I had to recreate it. I've linked this Barbie tutorial below, and this is your sign to be so extra this Barbieween. There are so many ways to recreate this look. You could spend a little bit and invest in a piece that you'll wear again, or you could do like I did and get some affordable pieces. Sky's the limit. Now with this one, Unique Vintage showing out once again an exact replica of this iconic Barbie, and then Margot Robbie recreated it on the red carpet. Now this one was actually also inspired by Barbie, but they took some liberties, and I just love how they brought this to modern day. These little two-piece sets with the little flight attendant hats are so cute, and obviously we've got to have a heart bag to go with it. Now another vintage recreation, you can be super extra and do a full-length gown with a fur, or you could take some liberty and achieve the same look. Now I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I almost gave up on this one. because Amazon has a totally Barbie costume and it just wasn't giving. I didn't feel right just leaving it there. And so I had to keep searching and I found this dress that gives the essence, but it's a little bit sexier. And then I saw this detail where she has a little ring pop ring on. So obsessed. Get you a little quilted bag and add you some crinkled bundles and you are ready. For the last minute Barbies, I've got you covered. Now the obvious last minute choices are shopping in store with the hundreds of Barbie collabs that they did this year. However, a lot of those are already sold out. Amazon is the next obvious choice, but everyone's gonna be thinking that, trying to get the same pink outfit. So I have some ideas that are a little bit more out of the box and are still quick and easy. First, we're going back in time even more with this 60s inspired Barbie with a cute little flower dress. Super easy, you can get this one at Walmart. It can be a vintage Barbie, you can go all the way with a swimsuit fit like this. They even have dresses on Amazon that you can easily get overnight. Baywatch Barbie is another easy one. These costumes are everywhere. I'm sure you could even find it at Spirit Halloween. Now Olympian Barbie got a little bit creative with this one. Now you can obviously do any number of these leotards. You can channel champion Simone Biles, or you can get even a little bit more accurate with this layering moment I did, and I actually found the logo from the Olympics that year, and the DIY girlies can screen print that on a leotard or just print it out on some paper and tape it on. Now for the last minute fashion girlies, you could do fashion shop Barbie, get you a little two-piece pink set, a little blue fur. And there are so many of these Barbies that you can pick any one of them and grab stuff from your closet and you are good to go. Fashion fever Barbie, it's a moment, it's iconic. And most of these pieces, you can wear them again. Now I'm not gonna lie, this one's probably gonna be me on the actual Halloween day. I love doing content, I love dressing up, I love sharing my ideas, but when I tell you I love to be in the house, if you're a last minute, out of energy, out of time girl, throw you a robe on, put some of these sparkly patches on, and that's it. I had so much fun coming up with these Barbie costumes. I hope you found one that inspired you. I can't wait to see all your Barbie costumes as we recreate Barbie Land.